Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the update on CKB. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price line of CKB was dropped at the support of a big falling wedge pattern on a 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live chart, then you can see that after testing the support of the wedge, it scared up. By the way, this is a very long-term support because previously it had been breaking at a very strong resistance. They got rejection here, and so many rejections here. And after the breakout, you can see that the previous downtrend and resistance is flipped into a support. We had a bounce here, and now recently the price line is once again bounced. And here we have the downtrend and resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long term down channel as well. By the way, I have been showing you this channel even before the breakout, almost for the past 2 years. And in those days, when it was moving inside this channel, I was telling you that target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel, somewhere between 3.5 cents to 4 cents. And you can see that the price and finally reached that target. And this was a very massive pump, by the way. This was almost 1743%, very, very massive rally. And here we had a very long-term resistance zone from 3.5 cents to 4.5 cents, and the price then got rejected by this resistance zone and got stuck inside in another wedge. And in today's video, we will also analyze this resistance and this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I will also share the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is a trade setup for sushi swap. You just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 6th of January 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the live chart of CKB, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, a month, it is moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. Recently, the price line is once again bounced very well from the support of the wedge. And by the way, this support was previously working as a very strong resistance. We got rejection here, several more rejections here and now after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. And here we have the downtrend and resistance of this falling wedge pattern. If the price line will hit the resistance of the wedge, then this time it can hit the resistance here, approximately at 1.35 cents. And by the way, this 1.35 cents is already working as a very strong and long-term resistance. It was working as a resistance here and support here and resistance here. For a few weeks, it has been working as a support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very strong resistance for the price line. And after the breakout from this wedge, the technical target to the upside for the breakout will be here at the top of the wedge again, where we had the target for the breakout from this previous down channel, approximately at 3.5 cents. And this means that after the breakout from this wedge, we can expect another very, very massive attempt to break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 3.5 cents and goes to 4.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.